Welcome to our video on the Pomodoro Technique, a time management method developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. This technique is designed to boost productivity by breaking work into focused intervals. Let's explore how it works and its benefits. The Pomodoro Technique involves working in intervals known as pomodoros, each lasting 25 minutes. During this time, you focus solely on your task, minimizing distractions. This structured approach helps maintain concentration and enhances efficiency in completing tasks. After each Pomodoro, a short break of about 5 minutes is taken. These breaks are crucial for mental rejuvenation, allowing your brain to rest and recharge. This cycle of work and rest helps prevent burnout and maintains high productivity levels. Once you complete 4 Pomodoros, it's time for a longer break, typically 15 to 30 minutes. This extended break provides a more substantial rest period, helping to reset your focus and prepare for the next set of tasks. The Pomodoro Technique is particularly effective in enhancing focus and minimizing distractions. By committing to short, intense work periods, you can tackle tasks more efficiently. This method encourages a disciplined approach to time management, making tasks more manageable. One of the key benefits of the Pomodoro Technique is its ability to prevent burnout. Regular breaks ensure that you don't overexert yourself, maintaining a healthy balance between work and rest. This balance is essential for sustained productivity. Implementing the Pomodoro Technique can lead to improved overall productivity. By breaking tasks into smaller, focused intervals, you can achieve more in less time. This method also helps in setting clear goals and tracking progress effectively. In conclusion, the Pomodoro Technique is a powerful tool for anyone looking to enhance productivity. By structuring work into focused intervals with regular breaks, you can improve concentration, prevent burnout, and make tasks more manageable. Give it a try today.